Hey guys, so I'm back with another video on constellation. This time I have a question for you. Did you ever encounter a requirement in Pega where you had to display the content in the form of tabs like this? It's pretty common, right? The user wants to display the content in the form of tabs. It's very common. So did you explore how can you do? So how can I display the data so in the example that you're seeing on my screen, okay, passenger details he have entered and what payment options he has chose. And that data I'm just displaying in the form of tabs like this. And this is read only. Do you see? It is read only. I can't edit it. I can't make any changes. Okay. But did you ever encounter a scenario where you want the tabs to be editable? Like the user should be in a position to enter the data, maybe something like personal information, professional information, educational information. You have three different tabs where the user should be in a position to enter the data. So editable tabbed layout, did you encounter a scenario? Generally we do that, right? So like this, you can see these tabs are editable. So the same example I have done in a way where you can edit the data like this. You can see, okay? You can see the various screens which are editable like this. So did you try to implement this in Pega Constellation? Tabbed layout in Pega Constellation, which is read only, which is editable. So it is not the same way to implement. Don't think that you can just open the cell settings and make it read only and make it editable and that's it how we implement tabbed layouts in Constellation. No, they are totally different. The way you implement them is totally different. So if you haven't tried it, give a try. And if you're not able to achieve it, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. We are launching Pega Constellation Self-Learning Videos course. You can buy it and you can watch the videos for the solutions and you can practice. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys.